Ugh, ready to get up. Alright. Oh, by the way, hit the like and subscribe button, and it'll make us really happy. Hope you enjoy. Oh, that's good. Hey Izzy, how you doing? That's good. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Good morning, TV. Wait, my doorbell? I wonder who's at the door. Boss, what are you doing here?
Hey, can you take care of my bird?
What do I get for it?
I will double the cash for you.
Oh, you will?
Uh-huh.
All right. What is? You have a woodpecker?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, we'll bring it inside.
Okay.
What do you have to do anyway?
I'm gonna want some air.
All right. Bye.
Bye. Oh. Why are you laughing? You just closed the door. Oh, get back here! Oh, hey. Get back here, you sussy backer.
Beans, music, fruit, the more I eat, the more
Oh, ew. Hey, how about you eat some food?
Yucky food is gross. I want peanut butter.
Oh, here's peanut butter. Oh, hey, get back here.
Ooh, what's that?
It's a printer. Do not mess with it.
I'm gonna print my butt.
Hey, what are you even doing?
Let's see, how you do this?
You just turn this on. You press this.
Okay. Now stain my butt.
You go right there. I press copy. Then you do copy.
Print my butt. What is it doing?
You have to open it. No. There.
Oh my gosh. My butt. Where's the paper?
It's about to come out. Get back on. Hey.
Yeet, has to. These music fruit.
Get back here.
Give me some nutty butter.
You need to go. Oh, sorry. You eat green beans.
Yeah, I hate green beans.
Green beans
It sucks.
they are good for you.
And they also smell bad.
They taste are good for you.
No.
Oh,
You suck.
I should take you back to the pet store.
If you do, my dad's gonna be mad about that.
And he's
You know
gonna.
what? You know what? I'm gonna do something else.
Oh,
What's in the fridge? Ooh.
oh. Hey. So, I think I got a toy for you to play with.
I hate toys.
Huh? How about this T-Rex?
Die, T-Rex! Die! Wow.
You broke the T-Rex. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, look at the egg. Look, I got T-Rex. Why?
Oh my, crazy. Oh, you crazy.
Can you fly? Whee!
Get back here. Gotcha. go to sleep. You sleep right there, okay?
I don't want to take a nap.
But you acting too crazy. Well,
Nap.
go to sleep right now.
Nap.
Go to
Jumping
sleep
on
right
the
now.
bed, jumping on the bed.
Ha! Stop! You might bump your head like in the 5 little monkeys. Ow!
I'm fine.
Oh, okay, good. Oh, hey. What's the tail? Oh, hey! I thought you went to sleep. Huh. Huh.
Ooh, video games. I love video games.
Ah, hey!
Video games.
This is mine.
I love playing Fortnite.
That's not yours.
I like playing Fortnite.
Huh. Well, I want you to get out of this house.
No. I'm gonna go swimming. Get him out! Look, I'm a jet.
Ouch! Get the heck out of here right now! Oh,
I'm going. I don't like it. You're mean.
you're just a
Wait a
bad
minute.
little pet girl.
What is watching? Wait.
These are aliens.
Aliens? I don't want him to be on aliens. It's just.
He's just gonna come back later.
Okay, fine.
Okay?
Fine, I'll take a nap.
Good.
Ooh, what's that?
It's a beauty dragon. His name's Izzy. Hey, what are you doing? No, Woody.
Hi.
Hey, he's gonna bite you. Get out! Get out right now.
He bite me.
See, told ya. You
I'm
should have listened. You're not a good listener.
I hope my dad comes back.
Maybe later he will, but you have to take a nap.
Fine.
Good. Maybe I can go on and play some video games while he's taking a nap. I'm gonna play some Minecraft. Oh.
And going. Jordan with me it. This is the history of pit.
Hey, get back to sleep. I'm playing Minecraft, and you have to go back to sleep.
Nina.
Hey, you doing the Twitter again?
She